Hi guys, welcome back to Amazing Ideas. My name is Isa.
My name is Ayu.
And today I am going to show you how to make a 2x2 cube. So basically, you in your home, you're gonna be having this kind of cube like this. Like it's so awesome, but you don't have a paper cube. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a paper cube. And right here, you can move like this. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make this. So follow the video. Right there. Okay. Alright guys, for this tutorial you'll be needing a pad and a piece of paper. What you wanna do is you wanna cut the paper in your size like this. Like this. This is my size of the cube. So yeah. So yeah guys, after you did that you'll be needing a square piece of paper. You wanna fold it. And I would recommend you to give it like a little millimeter space because like it will interfere. So like that. So you want to take this one and you want to make it up like that. And you want to take this one, put it down. I know it looks so bad, but I know you guys will do better anyways. Okay. After you do that, flaps, you want to put it inside like that, and put this side like that. I'll take this one and put it all inside. Then one turn it, take this, and insert this in, and then what you want to do, put it at the back. You see this? I'm going to put this in here. So, I'm going to put it like that. Like that. So, it should look like this. So, good. Okay. And then, you'll be doing 6 of these because, like, you need 6 of these to make one cube. Alright, guys, I've made 6 of these. Took me a while, but it's okay. After this, you're gonna be making the cube. I'm not really good at this, so I have my brother to help me.
Okay guys, we made this one. As you can see, it is nice. So take this one, and you see a pocket right here. You gotta put a pinky finger inside this. Now put this flap inside that.
guys, after you made the cube, you wanna like kind of little squish it as you saw. Okay, so you wanna make 8 of these. I have 7 left, so we have to make it. Okay guys, I've made 2 cubes right here. One my brother made, and the second one we made it. So then what you want to do is you want to take tape, and then you want to make a triangle. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay guys, after that you want to take scissors and cut a piece of thread. Right here I got like brown thread. So now what you want to do is, you see this thread, you want to take this cube and you want to tape it right here for tape. So let's tape it. Okay guys, after you thread it, it should look like this. Now what you want to do is you want to just go ahead, try to make a triangle like this. Like you want to, you see this, we threaded this one, now we have to tape this one. So now let's tape it. Okay guys, I have threaded, see 2 sides right there. Now you want to do this side, and now it looks like a triangle because we need to make a triangle. So let's make this side tape. So now let's tape it. Okay guys, it should look like just like this, like a triangle. So now you want to take the second cube, and then you basically want to make a cross, and then you want to take the thread, and then you want to thread it just over there, and you want to give it only a little space like that. Don't give it too much space, but just give it a little space. So let's thread it. Let's tape it. Okay guys, it should look like this. You see the triangle right here? I have a very little space, just like that. And now I'm gonna take the rest of the tape, put it like that. Tape it like this way. So now let's tape it. Okay guys, after you taped it, you want to tape it right over here. So you see, like we made a triangle here, we made a triangle over here too. So let's tape it. Okay guys, after you made this, you want to take scissors and I'm gonna cut it off like that. So we won't be needing, you will be needing this. Let's put it there. So bam, you will be needing like a bunch of these. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, after you made this or made a bunch of these, like I made 2 of these and 2 of this. So now what you want to do is you want to just take this and just place it naturally, and naturally it looks like that. And you can basically do it, but you're not done yet. What you want to do, you want to take the same thing right here. You want, also I forgot to tell you guys, you want to take a color paper and color it. You know, you can just take tape and color it, or take construction paper and just do it. Right now I have the yellow right here. So I'm just gonna place it down, and then what you want to do, you want to come up because it can go off. So the best way you want to do is you want to turn. That's what I meant. Like, the more you turn, the more secure it gets. Like so. You need to remember that. So right here, I'm turning. These are basically simple moves. So, guys, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. And yeah. Okay, guys. So now I showed you the 2x2 cube. If you want more Rubik's Cube videos like these, make sure you subscribe my channel, like this video, comment down below, and